More stocks on the dip. We have BIVI, FGF, RCEL, SRTS, and IOVA. So we'll kick off with BIVI down 43.64%. This is Friday, the 8th of August. Let's see. Yesterday lost 25.58%. It's been on a downward spiral since the 24th of July, Thursday the 24th. Let's see what we have. I think in the midst of all of this, it's also pricing in trying to raise $12 million. Let's see what we have. What we have here. The company has priced a public offering to raise $12 million, selling units at $2 each, with pre-funded units priced at less than 0.0001 dollar. Let's see what we have. Extrapolation is saying that okay, we might get a bounce from when? From midday today, and it may hold up till the pre-market, up to the post-market session of today. And then the pre-market session of Monday might continue the downtrend, but you can't rely on that. Let's see. Well, in the short time, there may be a good chance that maybe it may get a bounce, but I would say don't rely on that. Very, very dicey. Selling pressure is immense. It is massive, massively massive. Everything has there's nothing. There's no bottom here, honestly. Let's see what we have. 5.9. It's an upper projection. No downward projections for some reason. The algos are not projecting anything to the downside, but it does not mean that it's not going to print lower prices. So upper projection 5.9. This is not a recommendation that you try to get into see if it's going to print 5.9. We have a 6.34 as of Monday the 4th of August. Let's see here. We had as of Friday the 25th of July, we had from the, I mean, yeah, everything upper projection now as of then. I mean, as of then, what we have are upper projections relative to where it is right now. We have 3.91, 4.67, 5.89, 9.79, 10.76, 11.36. Okay, so let's see what we have next. That's FGF. FGF down 39.18%. Equally raising funds for Ethereum. We covered the stock on Monday the 4th. Yeah. Let's see now. This was when? This was yesterday. Yeah, it closed. It was maintaining, consolidating the expansion, and then it's the company's trying to, yeah, Fundamental Global files a $5 billion shelf registration to fuel its Ethereum accumulation strategy. Okay, can we get some fact about that? Nothing there. Okay, so there has to be what is behind this plunge. So extrapolation is saying that lower prices will remain in place up till Monday midday, Monday the 11th, and then might get a bounce, and an expansion might ensue on that day, and then begin to contract again. So highly volatile stock. Selling pressure. Let's see what it has done. It has, yeah, but you can see. You see this selling pressure, this plunge you're looking at here has only affected its 10-period moving average. The 21-day moving average, 21-period moving average, still very much intact, still in a robust trend mode. 3.45. That is almost almost 6x. No, is it 6x? Yeah, yeah, almost. No, this is more than 10x. This is more than 10x trend mode. More than 10x trend mode. Trend mode is from 0.25. And then look at the derivatives, robust. And on the 10-period moving average, only the first derivative is a negative, and then the the price pressure itself is severely negative, severely negative. And then we have a positive derivative. So if you take this positive, robustly positive second derivative, and then all these other positive ones, that you can clearly see maybe. And then if you also try to balance it with a severely negative selling pressure here, and then a negative, robustly negative first derivative, then you may probably agree that maybe, yeah, lower prices may still prevail for today and then going into Monday. But it's, you can clearly agree also that the bottom is in sight, given in the mix of things that's that we can clearly see here, going by these indications, or going by these values. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have yeah, everything is to the upside. We have 59.49, 70.91, 92.55, 105.91. Where did it get to earlier on? It got to around 40.22 as of Tuesday the 5th. Yeah, Tuesday the 5th. Okay, so let's have a look at our RCEL, RCEL. So RCEL down 30.48%. RCEL. Okay, let's see where this company is, just to make sure it is a US company. RCEL. We'll come back to it. So a bounce, I think, is expected to pick up from midday today and remain that way up till Tuesday, up till Monday's post market session. And then from Tuesday's regular session up till Monday the 18th weakness, and then again the uptrend may resume. So ultimately, this is just going to be a consolidate. This is extrapolating a consolidation of this decline we're looking at here. We have 5.23 upper projection currently in play. Before now, we had the same 5.23, 6.77, 7.42, 7.83. This was as of yesterday. Let's see what we have. We have it's at 3.74. Okay, let's find out where this company is incorporated. Okay, do we have any news? We might find any news here about the company, about what's behind this plunge. Okay, it's a U.S. company. Yeah, it's a U.S. company. Yeah, we need to find out some of these things because sometimes they look appealing, but if you don't check, because we've seen what's been going on with small caps from certain geographies. So let's see here. Avita Medical maintained a buy by D. Boral. Let's see. The market should be opening soon. Okay, this was yesterday. Okay, no fresh news. No fresh news. I don't think anything here concerns. Okay, this is from today. Okay, regenerative medicine company specializing in the development of and commercialization of innovative therapies for skin regeneration. Okay, there might be something behind this plunge. Yeah. Okay, so selling pressure is everything severely bearish, severely bearish. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next is SRTS. SRTS is down 36.51%. Okay, let's see. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till the close of today, and then after that, we might see a bounce. Yeah, high prices may kick in at various times, attempting to decline, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 19th of August. We have 4.78 upper projection as of now. Let's see. Earlier on, we had 4.94, 5.20. And okay, we have severely bearish price pressure indications. We have, however, we have positive, robustly positive second derivatives. Maybe that's why we have the algo saying that it's going to print a bottom by the end of today's trading session. So it has as an indication that the bounce may occur by today. So since the market has opened, we can have a look at its daily chart. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Okay, the algos are saying that lower prices may prevail up till Friday, the 5th of September. After that, we might get a bounce. By Thursday, the 18th of September, it may have recovered. No guarantee that that will be the case. The market is only 3 minutes old. Selling pressure, has it fed through? It hasn't fed through that much. The market just opened, but everything, the 10 and the 21-day moving averages have now gone into severe, they've gone into bearish mode as things stand right now. Here, do we have what projections do we have? We have 4.56, 4.97 earlier on, as much as 5.49, 5.86, 6.10. Okay, let's have a look at IOVA. IOVA down 18.56%. Okay, let's see. What's this printed in this? Okay, post market session of yesterday, it's printed 1.66, so it has actually recovered some of its losses. So what we have is that lower prices may remain in place up till Tuesday, according to this daily chart, and then after that, consolidate till Friday the 15th, and then may attempt to recover some of the to break out, but it may be rejected, and then downtrend continues, and then so it's a downward. It's a distributive contraction, if you like, and projections are saying. Let's see. It says 3.01 currently. Selling pressure is yeah. Only the 10-day moving average is severely bearish. Yeah, severely bearish. Yes, and everything is positive at the moment. But on its 4-hour chart, it might be something different. Let's have a look and see where IOVA. It should be a US company. IOVA. So we'll come back to that, and then we go on to see the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's see. Rebound is expected to kick in and remain strong up till Thursday, the 14th of August. So this rebound is from today. Okay, should okay, maybe that's why we saw some recovery, didn't we? Yeah, okay, it has done some of that. already, and then maybe so recovery is expected to. Okay, it's what we can clearly see it's recovering. So, but it may not hold for a long time. Selling pressure, okay, selling pressure is should be a lot more amplified. Yeah, see that -25. Everything is severely bearish. No, nothing positive here. Okay, it may have been worse than this. It's given that it has recovered somewhat, given that it has pivoted. The selling pressure may have been better, worse than what it is right now. The projections are saying, as things stand right now, nothing to the upside. However, we can slide sideways to see, yeah, as of just a few hours ago, we had beginning with downward projections, very some really negative values. I see negative 1704. Obviously, stocks don't trade in negatives, but it represents something positive that is so fractional, so very minute. And then we have maybe we'll be talking about maybe three maybe three decimal places before an integer, before the number. Yeah, something like that. 0.3 zeros and then a number. Maybe something like 0.0001704. And then above that, we have 0.2804, and then 1.01. Then we have 5.03, 6.03, and then 6.65. I think we saw, yeah, I think the stock can do with $6 and 6.65. Okay, let's see where it's incorporated. It should be US. Yeah, it's incorporated in US. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.